Sparklines are small charts located within one Excel cell. In this example, we'll analyse how the sales of 5 products have changed over the last year. To add a sparkline, first select the sales data for the first product, then from the Insert tab, click on Line Sparkline. In the Create Sparkline window, type C16 into the location range just below the data and press OK. The bigger the cell, the clearer the sparkline. We'll change the format and increase the thickness of the line to weight 3. Also, from the Design tab, we can add a high point and a low point. One of the advantages of this type of graph is that it can be easily copied. The copied graph refers not to the same data, but to the data moved according to the method of copying. We'll copy them by dragging the fill handle. The sparklines refer to the data above them. We can say that the data for sparklines are relatively addressed. If we try to change the sparklines from line to column, all of them change because they are grouped. To individually change the format of them, you first need to ungroup them. Now you can proceed. Sparklines are useful to quickly check the trend or to find out where the lowest and highest values are. Unfortunately, they also have many limitations. The main disadvantage is that they do not have an axis with values. Sparklines for products 1 and 2 look the same, but product 1 from January to December increased in sales 6 times, whilst product 2 only increased by 3%. For product 4, the decline in February seems huge, though it was just 2%. When we choose an axis and a vertical axis minimum and maximum and select Same for all sparklines, the graphs will have higher values, but still won't be full-size graphs. We can easily move sparklines by just dragging and moving the cells they are in. If we merge some cells with one that contains a sparkline, it will be visible in the area of the entire merged cell. The easiest way to delete a sparkline is to copy an empty cell and paste it into the cell containing the sparkline. I recommend you watch all the lessons from the Excel for Beginners and Advanced Excel courses, and then check your skills by doing the Excel job interview tests, which are at the end of the Advanced Excel course.